Hey again, let's talk in this video about loop. So to get started, I'll just create a new class. I'll name it simple for loop. Okay. By here I just create my constructor, which is main function, and that is. So think about you want to print hello world, and this hello you want to print it 5 times. How you do that? Basically, you say, okay, I have this code. I will repeat it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you will run it, you will see it in the screen in this way, 5 times. But this is not like professional. What if I want to print 1,000 times? What you will do? You write the code 1,000 times. It's like you're just wasting the time. So it's better to use loop. Loop, we use it when we want to repeat specific thing. I have a block of code. I want to repeat this block of code. So suppose I have this block of code, and this block of code will have this thing, okay? And I want to repeat it. How I do repeat this code? I using loops. So I say in this thing, loops in this way. You say for, you give it like variable, any value, any name. So I say suppose item in the range 1 to 10. Like, hey, when you know what this mean, 1 to 10. 1 colon 10, that's mean 10 element from 1 to 10. When say item in 1 to 10, that's mean item one time will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this for loop will repeat it for 5 times because this is a block of code. This block of code will run for 10 times. So now instead 5, I will have it 10. If I want to change it to 5, change it to 5, run it, he will give you same result. For a for loop is really easy now in Kotlin compared with Java or whatever. Now here just have value, have your range, and he will iterate through that range. And I will show you in detail, see, same data. If you just want to 1000, here you go ahead and run it again and you will see it from just one, you could say 1000. And you run it. And yes, here we go. He will go and he will print it for you for 1000, which is really amazing. So think about it. Yeah, 1000. No, he did not print the 1000. He printed the previous one. But if you just reprint it again, and you will see it in details. And I will show you the debugging step by step and more. So see how many 1000, just you go too much data. So yes, this is how we do it. So what if you want to see the value? Let's suppose I will print it from 1 to 5 and I want to print count, and I will show you the value of the item. Okay, I want to show you how he repeat this code. Then let's suppose here I will say print line loop done, just message, just to allow you to track the code. So just debug it. So let me see what is going on when he reached that for loop. You will see something, I think something new for you to try to understand, but yeah, let me see what is going on. Waiting in seconds and everything will be clear for you. So just wait and see. There you go. Now see loops 1 to 10. If you see now, variable doesn't have any variable defined now. Now I have variable, name it item, have value 1. He will print the value 1. He will go back. Variable item b2. Variable item b3. Variable item b4. Variable item b5, which is 5, 1. And he print them all times. Then when he done, he go next. So the idea behind looping, like when you have a specific block of code and you want to go through loop through this block, so you will use a for loops. So yes, this is basically how it is work. It's really simple and straightforward. Okay, one thing you have to know is this is a block of code. So because the block of code, so it could have anything. So you could say if statement, you could say, hey, if the item equal like 2 printed, if not, don't print it. So you will see now only one print one time because you will print this statement only for one time. Did you see I did not add a bracket for this one because just one line. We said if it's one line you don't need it, but to be safe always try to add your blocks around your code. So see, only he printed when it count to. Why? I will show you why if you just debug it. There we go. It's just one. He tried condition, no. 2, yes, he will print it. 3, no. 4, then he continue. So yes, this is basically what I want to show you. Here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.